Hello, Chef here. So today I want to touch on a subject that's going to help all of you, and that is some steps to live longer. Of course, olive oil is good for you. Balsamic vinegar is good for you. But one of the most important things you should be doing is taking vitamins every day. So here I've got some adult gummy vitamins. Doesn't matter if they're the chewable kind like this, or you get something else. Whatever is good for you, whatever you like. These vitamins are nice. But anyway, they support your health. They add a lot of different supplements and things for you. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, niacin, all different interesting things. And of course, there's a little bit of sugar, little additives, so they taste good. These are soft and chewy. Okay, the taste isn't what's important, it's what it does for you and what you get out of it. You're not going to get all of these things from your food. That's why vitamins are very important. A few other vitamins you should take, which will also help combat COVID, that is vitamin C. And if you don't want to take vitamin C, just drink some orange juice, things like that. I'd like you to take some glucosamine. Glucosamine helps your bones and your joints. Also to help fight the virus, zinc. Now, there's a few other things you can do too, but these are basics. And a couple of these were tips given to me from people inside the medical industry. I'm sharing with you to help you live longer. I'd like you to maintain a healthy diet, of course. You can learn more about the diet at our sponsor. That's going to be right in there. Just check it out. Subscribe down here for more valuable tips. If you smoke, quit smoking immediately and you'll add on 10 years, 20 years, 30 years to your life. Reduce your stress. Whatever you find stressful in life, avoid it. Monitor your blood pressure. Exercise every day. Live, laugh, love. People who laugh more live longer. Monitor your health. Don't put all your trust in the medical industry. You will die broke. You will die early. The medical industry is a for-profit, and be very cautious. And ask your doctor about that too. And don't forget to laugh. Laugh with him. With that, I'm going to let you go. Lots more valuable tips at the sponsor there. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. Lose the stress. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. That is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Hello, Chef here with yet again another butcher block video. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old. And it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just going to put it on like this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily, this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah. The oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4. And the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping.